welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about DMIDECODE, what it is and how to use it. Alright, so let's go over it. So DMIDECODE is a tool for dumping a computer's DMI. So DMI stands for Desktop Management Interface. And then some say SMBIOS, which is System Management BIOS. Table contents in a human readable format. This table contains a description of the system's hardware components as well as other useful pieces of information such as serial numbers and BIOS revision. Thanks to this table, you can retrieve this information without having to probe for the actual hardware. While this is a good point in terms of report speed and safeness, this also makes the presented information possibly unreliable. So basically what it's saying is that DMIDECODE grabs the information from a cache table or just a table that has preset information from when the computer starts. So if the information changed on there, then what happens is that it won't be updated in that table. So that's why I say it can be quite unreliable. So that's the reason why it says that. And just to kind of go over some of the keywords that I was talking about. So basically, the DMI table doesn't only describe what the system is currently made of. It can also report the possible evolutions, such as the fastest supported CPU or the maximum amount of memory supported. So earlier I said what SMBIOS stands for, System Management BIOS. So while the DMI stands for Desktop Management Interface, both standards are tightly related and developed by the DMTF, which is Desktop Management Task Force. So it started in 1992 to manage PCs. Manages both hardware and software, and there's two standards. There's the Management Information Format, which is MIF, which is similar to MIB, and Programs Interface with two APIs. Alright, so this is an example of a record. So basically a record has four types of information, has a handle, a type, a size, a decoded values. So a handle, basically this is a unique identifier which allows records to reference each other. Then you have a type. So the SMBIOS specifications define different types of elements of a computer that can be made of. In this example, it's a motherboard. And then we have a size, so it's just the size of the record. If you guys want to know, each record has 4-byte header, 2 bytes for the handle, 1 byte for the type, and 1 byte for the size. Alright, so here's some of the commands, you guys, if you guys are interested. You guys can type in DMIDECODE. You guys can type in -T, that just means the type. So we went over all the types, so all those numbers are different types. You can also type in keywords, which are actual words. So you can do -T17. Basically, this is for memory. This is going to give you all the memory information, the locator where it's located, DEM0 is a 64-bit. Usually there's more data, but in this point there's no data because it's a virtual machine. So what I can show you. And oh yeah, by the way, if I type in memory too, it'll give me the same exact information, same exact. So instead of typing the actual name, you can type in the number also. So if we did system, this will give me the system information. Manufacturer Zen, you see, is not HP, Acer, or anything else because it's a virtualized environment. That's what the Zen is. Got the product name, the version, the serial number, UUID on there. Let's say if we did baseboard, probably no data there. If we did processor, it tells me that it's a socket designation is on CPU 1. Manufacturer's Intel. Voltage information is nothing. Max speed is 23 megahertz. L1, L2, L3 cache. Serial number. Honestly, there's not that much information on this one. But what I can tell you guys, on your machine, it'll have a lot more information than mine does. If you guys need more information, you guys can always type in man page, which gives you more information, or you can type in the info command, and then you can type in DMIDECODE, and it will give you a lot more information. DMI table decoder. So it's pretty cool. The DMI table doesn't only describe what the system is currently made of, it can also report the possible evolutions, such as the fastest supported CPU or the maximum amount of memory supported. So it gives you a lot more information on there. But at the same time, like I said, unfortunately, I can't show you guys everything because I'm a virtual machine. But I mean, if you guys want to dig deep, you guys can also type in -T on your system, and these are all the numbers you can type, or you can type in certain keywords and stuff like that. So it tells you right here how to use them. This is like the way you use it. So instead of typing --type, you can just type in -T. So it gives you a lot more information, which is really, really cool. All right, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a great day.